Up next, we are doing half case break number 7 of 2021 Chronicles Baseball. This one was by teams. Here are your teams. Let's get a 1 of 1. I'm feeling it. Is green to 5 in this? Maybe that's...
Usually.
Yeah.
Sometimes green is to 75.
Ah, yeah.
So it's 5 or 75.
That makes perfect sense. Look how much taller these packs are than these. More America's pastime over here, I guess. Up, a redemption right off the bat. Let's just do that first. We have Obsidian autograph, Keibert Ruiz. Ashman, right? Yeah. Ashman, Keibert Ruiz. Obsidian auto. A 10 of 100, Tatis Magnitude.
Wait, what? No, I thought that's Tim H, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know. Is it Dodgers? What did I say it was? I said it was Kansas City. What is it? I don't know. I said I was going to do better today, but apparently I'm not. Tatis for San Diego, Marby. It's a new name. I don't think I've seen that name. Don't mind me. A Varsho Elite autograph. Dalton Varsho. Chatty P. Upside down, right side up, upside down. Tristan Cassis autograph. A Luminance Cassis auto. Boston Cranky Yankee. Tristan Cassis auto. A Acuna Gold Standard red to 199. Cranky Yankee. Atlanta. It's never good. McKinstry to 100 limited red. McKinstry Big Mom. Clear Vision. These always tend to stick together there. Ooh, I like this. Fleming for Tampa Bay, 73 of 99. It's a pretty card. Tampa Bay, Teddy. I hear hammering again. I feel like it's on the other side of the house, though.
Good. Keep it over there.
I didn't see anything on this one. Double check it for me. Burgled. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. A dual relic card. America's Pastime dual relic for Toronto. Saber. Last one down. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's on this side. It sounds like they're somewhere else this time.
The other walls.
Yeah, moving somewhere else.
Good. Stay over there, big jerks.
Something feels like a brick. Feel this stack. Just pick it up. Feel this stack.
I think you're more sensitive to that than me. I'm just like, all right, feels like a stack of cards.
Yeah, it feels like a brick, but I'm sure it's nothing. I'm gonna get you guys hyped up for no reason, just for funsies. I like making people disappointed. It's fun. Another Dalton Varsho Elite. I feel like, yeah, we definitely got one of these already. Dalton Varsho Elite. A couple of those for you, Chetty P. Nope. Nope, nope. No, we haven't, JP. Thank goodness. yet. Marcano Luminance, a rookie. It's weird they use a different logo for that. I didn't even say who that was.
San Diego is
Marby. A XR Red 199 Christian Javier for Houston and Movie Man. Kelnick Obsidian. I mean, right off the bat, seems like there's a numbered one, every other one at the top. 38 of 50, Tristan McKenzie. Cleveland. Ashman. 38 of 50. Ooh, a Soto, another one of these. I love those. Soto, 43.99. Overdrive. Very pretty. Tim H. Yeah, it is Doopy. Little Doopable. Oh, those are my favorite cards. I know I say it every time, but I can't help it. This is an Ichiro, 26 of 49. It's my favorite. My favorite. Seattle Weak Sauce Boss. That was not Weak Sauce. It's awesome.
It does have a little pinhole looking thing.
No. Hold
right
on.
Behind Ichiro.
Fernando Tatis Dual Relic for America's Pastime. San Diego, Marby.
It's got a little...
Oh, right here.
Yeah, a little boop.
That's happened before in these, I think. Thank you. So purple. And it has like the black, like, I don't know. It's cool.
Is it Zazzy?
It is. I got another.
There not be another. Cabert.
Let's find out. Chronicles. Certified autograph.
Jeez,
Ruiz.
Come on.
Another Ruiz. That's a certified autograph this time. Not an Obsidian. That's so funny. A Dodger? Okay.
It's not, okay.
That's a nice...
Big Mon.
Yeah.
Well, you said Ashman, who's...
Yeah, I thought he was in Kansas City, but it's Dodgers. That's... Yeah.
It was blue, right?
Yeah, it was blue.
Got the color,
you know,
right?
whatever.
Hey, there's a good one.
Cronenworth autograph. Marby, right? Yeah. San Diego, a Jake Cronenworth black rookie card autograph. Thank you, Teddy. Spencer Howard. Ooh, a gold.
Oh, that's cool.
Origins auto. 4
like
of 25. That looks really good.
More of that.
Yeah, it has less color in the background, but it looks, I don't know, looks fancy. Super fancy. Philadelphia, Tuna. A Spencer Howard gold. So many cards. Yeah, it is, DB. Nope, nope, nope. A lot of O'Briens in this pack. Corey Ray Crusade, numbered 20 of 25. Crusade, Milwaukee. Kevin Jasper.
UCCF's going to be watching these from the mobile.
UCCF. Oh, man. Sorry about that. Kyle Lewis, 27 of 99 certified. Did I ever tell you what I think about when someone says that? Sorry about that. Or sorry. Do you remember?
I have no concept where this one's going.
Seattle. No one's going to care about this at all, but it just, I feel like I'm telling you just because you're going to understand. No one else is going to.
That's good for the breaks.
Back when I got my first job with my friend's dad.
That sounds really inappropriate. Let's keep that going.
Yeah. Chris Bryant.
Stutter through that one a little more.
Stop. To 99. I'm trying to do something. To 99, UCCF. Chris Bryant, America's Pastime to 99. We got to talking one day about, when you send out applications and how frustrating it is, to get rejection letters and things like that. And one day he told me that he calls them SBDs. Sorry about that. So whenever he would get a rejection letter when he sent in an application, he would call it a sorry about that letter. And so every time I hear that, I think about him telling me that about getting rejection letters from employment offers. That's it. That's a breaker story, okay? Everyone expected that. Cleveland, Yu Chang autograph. No one expected anything better. Luminance. Ashman.
In that case, expectation was met.
That's all. I feel like it's something I haven't told you.
Well, if you get enough rejection letters where you have to have a nickname for them, you probably get a lot of rejection letters. I mean, think about that.
Yeah, he had a nickname for them. That's what he called them. Sorry about that. Can you reject the story? Well, it's already out there. I mean, you could try to purge it from your mind, but...
We need a flashy thing. Can we flashy thing the chat?
I'll send you all it's D's. SBDs. You didn't even pay attention, Teddy. Jesus Sanchez. Elite autograph. Miami. Silent Night. A blue Zenith to 99 Feliciano.
Don't get many of those.
I fell asleep in my 30-second story. 60 of 99. Another Cabrian Hayes. Another Cabrian Hayes. So many Cabrian Hayeses. Wouldn't it be nice, though? There are things that you would just be like, yeah, I just bring it in. We need the flashy thing now. Kirilov, there's a cool one. Minnesota. It's a cool design, too. Way Cool Card. Way Cool Card's got another Way Cool Card. 64.75. Kirilov. We're making fun of how terrible my story is. That's what we're doing. Don't ask. Josh Donaldson, blue to 99. America's Pastime. We've got a lot of different America's Pastime in this half.
Quite a few.
Yeah, it's weird.
Need the autographs half, though.
Minnesota. Way Cool Cards. Trying. Ooh, a red Yelich to 199. Certified. That corner's a little... Thought it was dust, but it's not. Yelich. Milwaukee. Kevin Jasper. Oh, wow. Aren't you special, DB? Is that because you only have one job? Bo Bichette, relic card. America's Pastime relic for Toronto. Saber. DB has sorry about that letters that he sends out to other people. That's the kind of guy DB is. I usually go to the campus and vandalize it.
Remember that trend for a while, the vandalize trend, where people would take like the googly eyes and put them on inanimate objects, and they called it vandalize?
Yes, I do remember that. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Brian Abreu, Ascension. Was that at the beginning of TikTok?
I don't know anything about TikTok.
I feel like that was like a beginning of TikTok thing. And yes, that is where that came from. In Donruss, wasn't it? Then why did they do that? It's like the Crisis parallel? Maybe not. I don't know anymore. Christian Javier, Origins autograph. Well, this one looks really good too, Ryan. It's different kinds of good. And Movie Man, Javier Origins autograph. It's all the same. What if they use like 3M, easily, removable, won't damage things?
Could be.
Then is that acceptable?
Google Eyes, Broken Windows Arson, yeah. Yeah, anyone do any good arsoning lately? What would be the term for that?
Arsoning?
Yeah.
Let's just call it arsoning because I like it. I didn't see anything in this one. Good to see. Double check that for me.
There's a little Trotsky in there.
A Trotsky. Devers Crusade. Numbered 3 of 99. Boston. Cranky Yankee. A Mookie Betts, another numbered card. 91 of 99. America's Pastime Relic Mookie Betts.
Yeah, where is that 1 of 1 that you and UCCF are calling for?
Wait, UCCF agreed?
I thought he said something about he agreed there was some sort of low number due factor.
Yeah, I feel it. It's in here somewhere. A Pavin Smith Zenith autograph. Arizona. Chatty P. It could happen, Teddy.
That's a fair point.
Mercado.
Again?
Marcano. Yep, another one.
Boy.
Little Doopy.
We're passing the duplicates and getting into a little bit of triplification at this rate.
Marvy. Is it Jazz Obsidian? It's pretty. Exactly. You got it, Teddy.
See, now we need an SBD emote.
We do. We need an SBD emote. Oh, no.
Jules.
Sorry.
Could have used it right then and there. SBD. All right, we're going to owe somebody a CSB points equivalent.
Unless they're in chat and can take it.
Yeah, unless they're in chat.
We do need an SBD. But everyone's going to think it's silent but deadly.
They can think whatever they
but
want.
But it's going to be sorry about that.
We'll know.
Can you imagine everyone that wasn't here tonight seeing that go up? They're going to be like, what is happening right now?
Well, I mean, they ask that every night after these breaks, but I think an SBD emote would go over well. So many ways you can use it. Yeah, we could do a quick random. I just hate to cut away from the screen when there's packs and boxes on.
We've never had a problem waiting to the end of the break. It's just if we wait
till after the break.
After we post it. 50 of 50, Timeless Treasure, Ian Anderson. That's nice. I don't know why I like this, but I do.
Don't see much of those.
Yeah, it just looks good. It's like wood grain or something. I don't know. I like it. A Fleming Green Phoenix. 65 of 75. Why are these all numbered in bizarre places? I feel like even the same inserts aren't numbered in the same spot. SBD. Yeah, I kind of want that now.
Well, once Sam gets all of his, colors and everything figured out, you can go back to the emote lady and put your request in.
Right. David Ortiz, relic card, America's Pastime Relic for Boston. Cranky Yankee. I don't know why I said it like that. Yankee. Yeah, Pills, you missed it. Oh my god, it's so good. Why do I like this so much?
So many good uses.
It does. Really does.
Oh, Pills missed what it was about? Well,
yeah, Pill don't know.
SBD.
Oh god, I can't stop laughing. It's too early. All right, Redemption. Obsidian autograph. Oh, a Kelnick.
There we go.
Very nice.
Not sorry about that one.
Weak sauce. Kelnick. Obsidian. Wait, Obsidian? Yeah.
Yep.
Obsidian autograph. Oh, it's so good. Dalton Jeffries. Elite autograph for Oakland. Tony Mac. Speedy.
Never had kielbasa. We'll have to try that too.
I don't know what that is.
Try that after ramen.
I've seen the word, but I don't know what it is. So, Florio. Elite autograph. Mountains.
Yes, mountains.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, a Kirilloff to 99. Blue black. Kirilloff from Minnesota. Way cool cards.
Oh, well, then she's had one.
Yeah. Jesus. No thank you, UCCF. You should see, anytime we have to make any of our food that does have sausage in it, I will stand over Ryan's shoulder, like make sure he like basically disintegrates it into the. It has to be like sand in my food before I will consume it. Very picky. Oh, there it is. Luke Voigt to 99. Blue Elite. Yeah. Lorenzo Kane for Milwaukee, America's Pastime Relic. Kinda, yeah. Like, if it's not in patty form, I'm pretty much not interested.
I was going to say, let's clarify. You're not anti-sausage, you're anti-sausage with casing.
Even the inside texture, I have a lot of issues with it. There's a texture issue with sausage.
Gritty.
Yeah, just... I mean, I like it, but let's just stop talking before someone clips some more stuff. Oviedo autograph.
That was so 2021 UCCF.
Really gray. A Acuna Clear Vision 2 of 100. Acuna. Cranky Yankee. I didn't say... I'm still adulting. Just... There are limitations, okay? Ooh, that's neat. For Atlanta, a Tucker Davidson 53 of 99 relic autograph. Cranky Yankee, that's a cool one. I think it's the first one of those we've pulled. I don't remember seeing one like this before. Looks really nice. Oh, Brian Hayes auto. Very nice. Really gray. Brian Hayes certified autograph. Nice one. And a Monty Harrison blue black to 99. 10 of 99. Miami Silent Night.
I'm out of sleeves.
Almost to the last box. Where is my 1-of-1? Or my green? Rookies and Stars Trout to 100. Thank goodness it's not to 99. Lotario.
Troutski.
Ooh, a pink Kirilloff. That's numbered 13 of 50. Minnesota. Way cool cards. All right.
One to go.
One to go. like, there's so much terminology these days that you can use and it means something else, like what DB just said. TikTok has taught me things. Like, old people just need to stop talking. And I'm apparently old enough where I need to stop talking. We don't even know what we're saying anymore. No, 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 no. Oh, never mind. I get it now. Joey Gallo, 66 of 99, dual relic. I like the dual relics that have the 2 different colors. I know I say that all the time, but I do. Makes them look fancy. JP, Joey Gallo to 99, dual. Come on, pack. Sorry about that. Tyler Freeman. That's a red luminance, 58 of 100. 58 of 100 Freeman luminance. And a 10 of 25 Ian Anderson purple. I like it. Cranky Yankee. A rated rookie Ian Anderson purple to 25. Three packs left. India. We didn't get another one. We did. And this one is a 5 of 10. Will Crow for Pittsburgh. Nice patch on that one. So, good, but not number to 5 or 1. But still, it's a patch autograph. Pittsburgh, really gray. Yep, RPA for really gray. They're very neat. Another Cabrian Hayes autograph.
Jeez.
Titanium. Cabrian Hayes rookie auto.
Well, sometimes the dupes are in your favor.
Really gray. Cabrian Hayes titanium autograph. And last pack. Andrew Vaughn to 299. Crusade for JP White Sox. Clean this up.
All right, before we do the recap, we'll do the quick random for the 400 points.
Yeah.
So, blue box this. This one. Here we go, 8 times.
Yeah, it did.
And Saber, Blue Jays. I don't know if Saber's here.
Saber, if you're here, let us know. We can send you the
Code?
code. Thank you. Sounds soggy. I wonder if it's in the bread or in the sauce. I guess it'd be in the sauce, right? It's got to be in the sauce. Oh my god.
Hopefully they fell down and hurt themselves or something.
Alright, so hit recap for 8-box break number 7 of 2021 Panini Chronicles Baseball. Got a couple of RPAs in this one. We had a Will Crow 5 of 10 patch autograph. And a 53 of 99. Well, this one's a relic autograph, but still, for Atlanta, Tucker Davidson. Several America's Pastime relic cards. A duel to 99, Joey Gallo. Fernando Tatis, Vladimir Guerrero. A Chris Bryant to 99. A Mookie Betts to 99. Lorenzo Cain. David Ortiz and Bo Bichette. We had a certified Brian Hayes autograph and a Keibert Ruiz certified auto. Titanium, we had another Brian Hayes autograph. Obsidian autographs of Kelnick and Keibert Ruiz. Origins, we had a gold 4 of 25 Spencer Howard auto and a Christian Javier. Black autographs, a Jake Cronenworth and a Marcano. Can't remember how to say his name for sure. A red Tyler Freeman to 100 Luminance. Yu Chang, Marcano, and Cassis. Elite autographs, Florial, Dalton Jeffries, Jesus Sanchez, Dalton Varsho, and another Dalton Varsho. Zenith autograph, Pavin Smith. Ascension, Brian Abreu. Last but not least, a Prestige Oviedo autograph.